Welcome to the SMG channel. As a professional provider of turnkey solutions for steel projects, SMG delivers a comprehensive range of steel production line equipment along with integrated, premium services. Our offerings include project consultation, customized process design, equipment supply, installation, commissioning, and long-term operational support. We are committed to providing cost-effective metallurgical equipment and professional expertise to our clients. Now, join us as we follow the camera to explore the production process of steel balls, a product paramount to industrial development. It all begins with the automated feeding system, where round steel is efficiently transported to the induction heating equipment. At SMG, we are dedicated to integrating intelligent features into every piece of equipment within the production line, empowering steel manufacturers to enhance efficiency and reduce costs. The round steel enters the induction heating unit. Precision is key here. We heat the billet to an optimal temperature, enhancing metal fluidity during rolling. This carefully balanced temperature increases deformation resistance, resulting in a smoother subsequent rolling process. Why is this important? Because uneven heating leads to inconsistent steel ball quality. The heated round steel now enters the core of the process, the steel ball rolling mill. Notice the two rolls with helical grooves? Their axes are set at a specific inclination relative to the rolling line. As the billet moves spirally forward under the pressure of the rolls, it gradually transforms from a round steel bar into a perfect sphere. This rolling method is highly innovative, ensuring uniform shape and density for every steel ball. After rolling, the formed steel balls enter the precooling chamber. This step is crucial. Precooling allows for a gradual temperature reduction, preparing the balls for the quenching stage while minimizing the risk of cracking. Subsequently, the pre-cooled balls are transferred to the quenching tank for rapid cooling. Quenching imparts the signature hardness and wear resistance to the steel balls. Our quenching tanks feature a controlled cooling rate, a process refined through hundreds of commissioning projects. We deliver more than equipment, we deliver success. Upon completion of the quenching process, the steel balls are conveyed via a roller table to the collection unit. However, our quality control does not end here. Random samples are collected and sent to the inspection laboratory for comprehensive testing. What is examined? All critical parameters: dimensional accuracy to ensure compatibility with equipment, surface quality free of cracks or burrs, hardness verifying wear resistance, sphericity guaranteeing smooth operation, impact toughness preventing fracture, and wear resistance, the ultimate test of durability. Finally, the certified steel balls are loaded onto transport vehicles and transferred to the packaging workshop, ready for dispatch. The entire process from a round steel bar to a finished steel ball stands as a testament to SMG's integrated one-stop solution. Whether you are establishing a new steel ball production line or seeking to upgrade an existing one, we always have a solution tailored to your needs. Remember this: as a turnkey project solution provider, SMG's commitment extends beyond supplying equipment and services. Your success and sustainable growth are what drive us. Choose SEM. Live up to your trust.